Sir, as desired by you, you can see the Kemper. We have newly launched this welding table for our skill development customers. You can see it's a. You can do all position. It has got all position positioner, welding positioner. You can do each position. You can hold the job here. Nice heavy working grit is there. This is 600 mm by 600 mm. We can customize anything. Then it comes with a job. You can put a lot of tools and tool tray is given. Then you can put a sink is there. Suppose you want to, you can pour some water here and you can put the welded component or any other uh, thing to meet any contingencies here in this sink. You can see it's easily replaceable, and then it is nicely earthed, so you can easily do all kind of welding activities. After the welding, you can do a dust collection bin is given. Nicely powder coated, sturdy. We can offer you in different colors depending upon the quantity. It has got a job holder, electrode holder also. So that means you can either put a torch here, your MIG torch, or you can put a, you can see electrode is here easily, so you can easily offer, so your welder can start straight away pick this arc electrode and do a manual metal arc welding and shielded metal arc welding. The best part is the same table you can give fume extraction input also, so it can work as a downdraft table, very cheap table but very much effective. So this port you can connect either with the fan or with the mobile fume extractor, and job done. Your weld school is ready.